I got my 2014 Subaru Forester XT on jack stands right now. I've got a little bit of a problem with what I believe is my front driver's side wheel here. I jacked it up and it looks like there's a little bit of play in it, because whenever I'm driving down the road, if I'm going straight, everything is fine. But as soon as I start making a little bit of a right hand curve turn, like let's say I'm going down the highway at 60 miles to 70 miles an hour, and the highway just kind of curves to the right a little bit, I think that's putting a lot more load on this tire, and I can start to hear some issues going on with it. I don't think it's my wheel bearing, because after a little bit of research, I think it's actually possibly my ball joint. So as you can see here, seems like there's a little bit of play. As you can, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's definitely not rock solid like it should be. I mean, I can turn the wheel like this, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to check for play in it, and there's definitely some play at the 3 and 9 positions. Now at the 4 and 10 or 4 and 11 position here, there's also a little bit of play there, and I'm thinking it's the same thing. But at the 12 and 6 position, nothing's there. It's pretty solid up and down. Now let me go to the driver's side, the passenger side here, and show you guys. Nothing there. Rock solid. Rock solid. 3 and 9, rock solid. 12 and 6, rock solid. 4 and 10, rock solid. 6 and 2. So I'm pretty sure this side has some kind of a issue with the ball joints, and I'm about to take this wheel off and show you guys what I can possibly diagnose. Actually, you know what? Let me put it down here, put a flashlight on it. Maybe I can see something happen. Get a flashlight. There you go. There's a 3 and 9. Definitely some play. 4 and 10. Definitely some play. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I'll swap it over to the other side. Maybe I can get a better view there, because I'm going to be watching this video later for myself as well. Three and 9. There's the play. 4 and 10. That's the play. 6 and 9. 12 and 9. 12 and 6, sorry. Nothing there. So definitely something there. Yeah, I'll be taking this wheel off real quick and then see what else I can find. What's up, everybody? So after much troubleshooting, I think I finally found the culprit. It is not my inner tie rod, it is not the outer tie rod, it is not the lower ball joint, it is not the sway bar, front sway bar links or anything. It is actually this control arm right here, right in here, this guy. There's a joint there, and it is definitely moving. So I'm gonna zoom in real quick so you guys can see it. Let's see if you guys can see this right there. Oh, my light is dying. So hopefully you guys can see that. I'm gonna shake it around a little bit. You guys see that? That tiny little bit of play is enough for me to feel that while I'm driving. So I don't feel that whenever I'm going straight, but definitely when I'm going 60 miles an hour, 60 to 80 miles an hour, and I am slowly turning to the right when there's a curve, a high-speed curve, and I guess it puts a lot of pressure on that joint, and it definitely moves. So, oh man, it's gonna be a big job trying to do that, but at least I found it. So, alright, there you guys go. Troubleshoot it, and I'm gonna have to fix that. My light's dying. So, thanks for watching, guys. I might do another video on trying to figure out how to replace it. So, until next time.